Hi everyone, this is Taylor, the Keto Construction Mom. I'm hanging out with my boy Arlen. He just turned a year old, can you believe it already? But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys a little video. Recently, we worked for a customer that had some really bad drainage problems on her property, so anytime it would rain, the water would go into her house. What we did was we put in a drainage system where we took out her sidewalk, put in a new sidewalk with a drain included into it, and then the drain led to a dry well that had a sump pump inside of it. The dry well was actually 4 feet by 4 feet by 4 feet deep, so any water that would fall on her property would collect into that dry well, and then the sump pump would suck it off of her property. So here's the video, and I hope you enjoy it.